can turn to me.
Natural.
Basically, alignment.
We said naturally, come on.
Yeah, but alignment. Yes, exactly. So, what did you understand
From the paper. Mostly I understood that the teacher's behavior has to be soft, like not force students to go further than they can. And I understood that alignment has to come from your own experience of yoga. Like, first of all, not try to force something if it cannot happen, but also let's say that you have to have the experience of alignment before trying to force someone to do it.
Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's correct. Before teaching to someone what's the alignment of each posture, we need to experience it in our own body. After that, the teaching comes. Of course, if we don't know what we're talking about, we won't be able to teach, right? So it comes with the practice to each asana, what's the alignment of each asana, and how the foundation is set, and how the rest of the posture goes on top of it, basically. So alignment is the most important aspect of teaching, but also practicing. Why is that? Because when the alignment is correct, you waste or spend less energy and effort. At first, of course, maybe it's not easy to find the correct alignment in your body for individuals, because everybody's body are different. So obviously it's important to first of all practice with the teacher and then learn what's the alignment in the posture in your body, rather than what you see out there, all the crazy beautiful perfect bodies. So it's then of course coming to teaching, then you would have the understanding of what that body needs for the alignment. Yeah. So
Okay.
yeah, how do you feel about that in your journey?
I think I totally understand what you mean. Like, you have to have your own body awareness first to feel how the alignment feels and what it actually brings to you and how it can change your posture if you have the right alignment. Yes, I understand.